Imagine waking up one day to find that your job no longer exists. Not because you failed, but because a machine took your place. This isn't some far-off dystopian future. It's happening right now. AI is here, and it's coming for your job, faster than you might think. Are you ready for the fight of your life? Because this is a battle for survival in a world where the machines are taking over. Artificial intelligence, once a buzzword confined to sci-fi movies, is now a cold, hard reality. It's reshaping industries, economies, and entire societies at a pace we never anticipated. But what does this mean for humanity? Are we on the brink of a golden age of innovation? Or are we staring down the barrel of mass unemployment and social chaos? In this video, we're diving into the chilling reality of AI's takeover of the job market. We'll explore which jobs are already being claimed, which industries are next in line, and how you can fight to save your livelihood in this brave new world. Buckle up, because the future is already here, and it's not waiting for anyone. AI is no longer a concept confined to research papers or tech demonstrations. It's out there in the real world, making decisions, automating tasks, and, most importantly, replacing human workers. Forbes reports that AI is already transforming the employment landscape, and the pace is only accelerating. Take content creation, for example. What used to be the domain of skilled writers and marketers is now being taken over by AI like ChatGPT. These models can churn out content in a fraction of the time it takes a human, and often with equal or even superior quality. But it doesn't stop there. Data entry, customer service, and even sales roles are all being automated. AI-driven chatbots, for instance, can handle thousands of customer queries simultaneously, 24/7, without a single complaint. But here's where it gets even scarier. AI isn't just taking over low-level jobs. It's coming for the white-collar professionals too. Lawyers, accountants, and even doctors are feeling the heat. AI systems can now analyze legal documents, balance financial statements, and even diagnose medical conditions faster and more accurately than humans. Forbes highlights that this isn't just a possibility. It's already happening, with firms reducing their human workforce in favor of AI systems that never sleep, never ask for a raise, and never make mistakes. The timeline for AI's takeover is a hotly debated topic. Some experts predict that we have decades before AI reaches its full potential, but others warn that we could see massive job losses within the next few years. Business Insider emphasizes that the disruption has already begun, and it's only a matter of time before it reaches critical mass. In manufacturing, AI-driven robots are not just assembling products. They're optimizing their own processes, diagnosing faults, and even performing maintenance on themselves. This self-sufficiency means fewer jobs for human workers. Business Insider reports that in 2023 alone, thousands of jobs were lost to AI in industries like automotive and electronics manufacturing. By 2030, estimates suggest that up to 20 million manufacturing jobs could disappear globally. But it's not just the blue-collar jobs that are in danger. White-collar professions are also on the chopping block. The legal industry, for example, is seeing a surge in AI-driven tools that can review contracts, analyze case law, and even predict legal outcomes with startling accuracy. CBC notes that by 2028, AI could replace nearly a quarter of all legal jobs. This isn't science fiction, it's reality. AI is evolving faster than anyone anticipated, and the job market is struggling to keep up. The economic ramifications of AI taking over jobs are immense and far-reaching. On one side, companies stand to save billions by automating tasks that were once done by humans. But what happens to the workers who are displaced? Nexford University highlights that while AI will create some new jobs, it will destroy many more. Industries that rely heavily on human labor, like retail, transportation, and hospitality, are particularly vulnerable. AI-driven systems are already making their way into warehouses, stores, and even fast food chains, where robots can cook, clean, and even serve customers. The economic impact will be felt most acutely by those at the bottom of the income ladder. As more jobs are lost, the divide between the rich and the poor will widen, potentially leading to social unrest. The big question is, can the economy absorb the millions of workers who will be displaced by AI? Nexford University argues that while new industries will emerge, they may not provide enough jobs for everyone. And the jobs that do emerge will require skills that many displaced workers simply don't have. This could lead to a future where the wealthy elite control the AI-driven economy, while the rest are left struggling to survive. As AI continues to reshape the job market, society finds itself at a critical juncture. Will we adapt and thrive in this new world, or will we crumble under the weight of mass unemployment and social inequality? The optimistic view, as suggested by Bilton, is that AI will free us from mundane tasks, allowing us to focus on more creative and fulfilling work. But the reality may be far darker. While AI may create some new jobs, the vast majority of people may not have the skills needed to transition into these roles. Jobs in AI development, data science, and robotics engineering will be in high demand. But how many truck drivers, retail clerks, or factory workers can realistically retrain for these positions? The societal impact could be devastating. As more people find themselves out of work, we could see a rise in mental health issues, as highlighted by Paula Cecchi D'Amelio from Forbes. Anxiety, depression, and feelings of hopelessness could become widespread as people struggle to find their place in a world that no longer values their skills. And this isn't just speculation. It's already happening. As AI continues to advance, society must find ways to support those who are left behind or risk descending into chaos. So which jobs are first in line for AI takeover? Business Insider points out that repetitive, low-skill jobs are the most vulnerable. Data entry clerks, telemarketers, and factory workers are already being replaced by AI systems that can perform their tasks more efficiently and at a lower cost. But it doesn't stop there. White-collar jobs are also under threat. Paralegals, financial analysts, and even doctors are seeing AI systems encroach on their territory. AI can analyze massive amounts of data in seconds, make predictions based on that data, and even perform tasks that once required years of human training. For example, AI-powered software is now capable of diagnosing diseases, recommending treatments, and even performing surgery in some cases. The Michigan Journal of Economics warns that as AI continues to improve, the role of human doctors may become increasingly limited. The bottom line? No job is truly safe from the AI revolution. If a task can be automated, it will be. And as AI continues to advance, the list of tasks that can be automated will only grow longer. So how can you protect yourself from the AI takeover? The key is to stay ahead of the curve. Nexford University advises that continuous learning and adaptability are crucial. Jobs that require human creativity, emotional intelligence, and complex problem solving are less likely to be replaced by AI, at least for now. Consider focusing on careers that involve working alongside AI rather than competing against it. Jobs in AI ethics, AI training, and human-AI interaction design are likely to grow in demand. But don't stop there. Embrace lifelong learning. The job market is evolving rapidly, and those who can adapt and learn new skills will be the ones who thrive in this new economy. But it's important to remember that not everyone will be able to make this transition. The AI revolution will create winners and losers, and the difference between the two may come down to how well you can adapt to this new reality. So start preparing now, learn new skills, stay informed, and be ready to pivot your career as needed. AI is no longer just a buzzword. It's a force that's reshaping the world as we know it. Jobs are being lost, industries are being transformed, and the future of work is uncertain. But one thing is clear, the AI revolution is here, and it's not slowing down. Will you be ready when the machines come for your job? If you found this video insightful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more deep dives into the future of technology and its impact on our lives. Stay informed, stay prepared, and remember, the future is closer than you think.